guys, this is Sharon with craft-lover.Get, where I'm going to do a DIY necklace, bead necklace. I call it black, but this is pretty easy. So get your materials ready and let's get started. Till then, cheers. So here are the beads I'll be using for this project. A size 2 of 11 black lined glass seed. Here is a size 3 iris, and this is a size 2 purple seed. Then as usual, we're going to use our 0.30 millimeter fishing line and our size 12 needle. So as usual, tie to one end of the thread, add a stopper bead and fix your needle, and let's get started. Now we're going to pick 2 of size 3 iris, and you have it here. Now pass back into the first seed that you picked, the first size 3 that you picked, and you just looped on that. Pick one black lined glass, one size 2, and pick 2 of these again. So I have 3 here. Now pass back into the first size 3 that you picked, and here you have 2 loops and one size 2 in between. So pick one size 2 and new 2 pieces of size 3 iris, and you have it here. Make sure your tension is tight so that no part is loosened. So pass back through the size 3, the first size 3 that you picked, and here you have this. Yeah, getting there. So this is how you're going to continue till you get a comfortable length, neck length that you want. So I have gotten to this place so far. Let me measure it to the tape. From here to here, I'm going to about 12 inches. So I've gotten to 6.5 or thereabout. I still have about 5.5 to go till I complete my desired length. So let's continue. So I have completed this to 12 inches. I'll pick 3 of this size 2 purple, pass down into the last looped size 3. Like we need to fill in the spaces here. So here are the beads that we'll be using to close the spaces. They are all in 4 millimeters. This is a bicone purple, this is a rondel black, and this is a pearl. We have mixture of red and pink rose there. So we'll start with purple. Pick one size 4, pass to the next looped size 3 on the length. You just made your first, you fill the first space. Next up, pick a size 4 black, pass to the next. For the third, pick a red. We're going to be alternating between red and rose, pink rose. Pass to the next. Start all over. So here I have completed filling the spaces. So here I am. This is where my thread is exiting, and I'll pick 3 size 2 purple, and I'll pass into this part on top, then pass out through this again, and here I'm done with this length. Next length, I'll pull the beads and then we'll continue from there.